Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.56. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 1.83%. This equates to an average return of 0.91% per day since it received the hold or accumulate rating. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this pattern. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 1.84% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 8.27% to positive 6.31%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 41.83% over the next year, with potential returns between 35.86% and 60.98%. This would correspond to a price range of $321.82 to $381.32 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Apple. The Apple stock price gained 1.83% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025. It rose from $232.62 to $236.87. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 2.72%, with a low of $230.68 and a high of $236.95. Over this period, the price has experienced some volatility, resulting in a decline of 1.04% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 7 million shares on the last day, with a total of 45 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $10.65 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume amid rising prices can signal divergence and may indicate potential changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the stock price is 8.93% or $23.22 below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. Apple made headlines today with several key developments that could significantly influence its stock performance. First, the company has launched the Apple TV Plus app for Android devices, expanding its market reach and enhancing growth potential in its services division. This move is expected to open up new revenue streams, which could positively impact investor sentiment in the short term. Additionally, the continuing surge of ARM holdings, bolstered by its focus on artificial intelligence and smartphone integration, highlights the competitive landscape in which Apple operates. Given that ARM's chips are integral to iPhones, this trend underscores the growing reliance on advanced technology, which could further spur innovation at Apple. Analysts at Morgan Stanley are optimistic about Apple's growth strategy, particularly in China, a critical market for the company. This approach could alleviate concerns around slowing iPhone sales, as it indicates a proactive effort to diversify revenue sources. On another front, reports suggest that Apple is exploring the development of humanoid robots. While this may seem distant, it reflects Apple's commitment to long-term innovation, positioning the brand at the forefront of emerging technologies. However, there are also cautionary notes as Apple faces challenges, including potential overvaluation and weakness in iPhone sales, which have led to a decline of 7% year-to-date. As analysts weigh these mixed signals, the focus will remain on how effectively Apple can navigate these hurdles while capitalizing on new opportunities in artificial intelligence and its expanding services. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Apple Inc. a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley assigned Apple Inc. an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. an underweight rating with a hold action. Also on that day, Maxim Group rated Apple Inc. as buy with an initiate action. Earlier on Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, Oppenheimer assigned Apple Inc. a perform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Apple stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6.39%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite the increase in prices. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the short-term outlook. The Apple stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $237.95. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $231.88. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple is currently supported by accumulated volume at $236. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a healthy volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $6.27, which is equivalent to 2.72% between its high and low. Throughout the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $238.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $236. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of February, in the year 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Again, on the first day of February in the year 2025, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 26.090. Overall, insiders purchased 1,796,930 shares and sold 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $225.67, which reflects a decrease of 4.73%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is better viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we anticipate that Apple will open down by $2.04, starting at $234.83. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities is advisable. Do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.